So you're welcome to this first video, but before we jump into the main thing and start breaking down the whole process, I just want to whet your appetite a little. I want to show you how much you would have made at the end of 12 months if you invested a certain amount in any of these cryptocurrencies. So instead of doing it myself, I've gone to Google Images to search for this term. I'm showing you this so you can verify yourself. So you can see all these pictures analyzing how much you would have made if you invested a certain amount in a certain coin. Alright, so let's just take this one, and of course you can verify these things yourself. I'll show you how to verify it towards the ending of this particular video. So what we have here is we have this picture saying let me see if this one is clearer. Okay, so in 2017, which was last year, January 2017, if you woke up on January 1st 2017 and dumped $1,000 into Bitcoin, by the end of the year, that is in December 31st 2017, your $1,000 would have been around $14,000. Then let's check it out. If you invested it in Ethereum, by the end of the year, your $1,000 would have been what? $87,000. If you invested it in Ripple instead, by the end of the year, your $1,000 would have been worth $335,000. Litecoin would have made it $50,000. Monero would have made it $24,000. Dash would have made it $18,000, and Neo would have made it $515,000. Which means if you invested $2,000 in Neo, you would have had $1 million. You'll be a millionaire without doing zero work. There is no work involved except the work of taking this video, which will teach you how to do that. You understand? So these ones are just the most successful ones. There are ones that failed. You understand? Some of them failed woefully. So that's why I'm making this video, to teach you how to avoid the ones that fail woefully, and at the end of the day to multiply your profit. And guess what? Less than 1% of the population is involved. So there is a 10% coming soon. You get what I'm saying? 2018, which we are in, at some point, once cryptocurrency starts rising, the rest of the world, 10% of the population, will learn about crypto, and they are going to jump in. You understand? So that's the estimate of many cryptocurrency investors. So if you just go to Google, you'll see a lot of this and you can verify it. So how to verify this is you visit a website called coinmarketcap.com. Now when the website opens, the first thing you want to do is to go to the desired currency. So we're looking at a currency called Bitcoin now, and Bitcoin is at $8,266 today, and we're going to have to check how much it has changed in over a year. Alright, so to do that, you go to Tools and click on Historical Snapshots, and once we select that, we can see a calendar. So if you click on any of these calendars, it will show you the prices of the coins on that calendar. So it started from 2013. They started on April 28, 2013. So we're looking for 2017 January 1st. This is 2016. This is 2017 January 1st. Alright, so I'll click on January 1st. So it will now show us a what the market looked like in 2017 January 1st. Look at Bitcoin price then was $963, and today it is around $8,000. You understand? And the market is even currently in a pullback as of today, because early this year Bitcoin was around $19,000. You get what I'm saying? So it moved from this to $19,000 within a year, and although it pulled back now, I know it will bounce back. So look at Ripple. Check out Ripple is at 0.006. So if we checked out CoinMarketCap as of today, you will see how much Ripple has grown just in 12 months. So like I told you, the market is in a pullback now, but look at it's now at 0.6, and then just over a few months ago it was at 0.006. You see how far it has grown. So that is how all these things are moving. So let us check if there is Neo here. Neo was at $0.14. Look at it. 0.14, right? So if we check out NEO as of today, NEO is at $69. That is from 0.1 to 69. And if you had invested in NEO early last year, you would have been a multimillionaire now. Like if you put out something like $2, $2,000 or anything above $2,000 would have made you a millionaire, and you don't have to work for it. And you know the funny thing, this money is actually sitting in your bank account chilling. You understand what I'm saying? And the bank is deducting their transaction charges and all. So one thing people don't understand about coins is that I think I should mention it in the next video. Let's just pause this video here and continue the next video, right? Thank you very much.